Hey guys, so I wanted to show you how I'm going to turn this pine log and this aspen branch into almost 200 bucks. So as you may know, I run a little woodworking side business and I've got a repeat customer that wants some more coasters. So I got this wood from right here in the neighborhood that it was beetle kill and it was marked for getting taken down for the houses, and I got this for free from my dentist office where I went and removed 2 aspens for him, and in turn I get to keep the wood. And I made him a nice little gift that I'll put a picture up real quick so you can see what I made for him. But yes, come on the journey and see how I turn this scrap wood into money.
Might not mean much to you, but to me means that every word that comes out of your mouth is some kind of fable, some kind of half-truth. Sometimes I wish you could see all the holes you've torn in people, yeah, so damn deep that if you looked inside them.
So guys, this is pretty crazy here. As I mentioned, the pine was beetle kill, and it's a little bit longer than a 4-inch diameter, but I knew that the beetles get this stuff and the bark comes off. And so I'll go through and clean all these, and then when they'll be just about 4 inches. But if you look in there, it's the dead of winter, February, and there's actually still a beetle grub in there. But that's their tracks. There's one there. He's really lethargic. It's the same one. And then if you can see over on the other log that's on the chopping block here, that hole is the same hole as this one, and you see the blue color that's caused from the beetles. I think it's something in their acid, but turns out really pretty. Anyways, I wanted to stop and show you that the reason the Forest Service wants you to take down beetle kill as soon as possible is so that these guys don't spread onto and kill another one. So, okay guys, got them all cut up now. I've got 30 or so of the pine, and I took off the bark that just came off of my fingers. I'll get them on the grinder, the sander next, and then I've got about 30 aspen as well. The bark stayed on those, so I'll keep them on. But now we get to use the belt grinder, the belt sander, and I bought this at Harbor Freight, 129 bucks or something. I bought the extended warranty. I just got this yesterday. It's the replacement for the other one. That lasts me about 4 months. So when you're using this a lot, it's worth the money just to get the extended warranty, and then every 5-6 months I just switch them out. So.
Have to go to another early funeral, I swear to God, I'm going off the grid. Take one look at you and I can tell that you've been feeding yourself a whole world of hell, and that's not enough food. For one man lives, and this is the last time that I will forgive. Wind and the rain has taught me that world revolves and changes, and if you don't get it in line, if you don't get your shit together, it's gonna wash you away. Oh, so far gone, you didn't see, you couldn't tell what was going on. You looked away from all those people getting hurt. Too busy playing God, you lost your concept of what was right and wrong, and if karma's real, baby, you're gonna burn. Saying this is the hardest lesson that I have ever learned. Yeah, 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 yeah.